Let's learn to read.
Let's practice the sounds we know. S, A, T, P, I, And our focus sound is D. Now let's make a word. Say each sound and blend together. A, D, A, D, A, D, mad. Well done. Let's try another word. S, A, D, S, A, D, S, A, D, sad. Excellent. Let's keep practicing. P, A, D, P, A, D, P, A, D, pad. Great work. Let's try another one. D, I, P, D, I, P, D, I, P, dip. Well done. Let's keep going. D, I, D, I, D, I, din. Fantastic. Let's try another one. T, I, T, I, T, I, tin. Great work. Let's keep practicing. T, I, P, T, I, P, T, I, P, tip. Well done. Let's try another one. S, I, P, S, I, P, S, I, P, sip. Excellent. Let's try one more. P, I, P, I, P, I, pin. Great reading, everyone.